Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. The question tonight is tracking and monitoring your progress with your keto diet and lifestyle helpful? And the answer is yes. It's always of use to track your progress on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Before we go into details about this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button right underneath this video. I truly would appreciate you doing that, and that would give me the impetus to continue on with these videos that are informational and helpful to the keto community. You know, maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires a lot of effort, and for keto dieters, it takes even more commitment. Sticking to a low-carb and high-fat diet is not always easy, but the benefits are worth the effort. However, it is essential to track your progress to ensure that you're on the right path. In this video, we will explore the importance of, on a regular basis, monitoring your progress and how it can help you achieve your short-term and long-term goals. Well, one thing for sure, tracking your progress helps you to stay focused on your goals. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you on track towards your objectives. Also, the regular checking helps you identify challenges and make changes to your diet and exercise routine to ensure that you reach your goals. And it's important to track your macros and nutrients. For a keto dieter, the tracking of macros and nutrients is vital. Keep track of your daily intake of carbs, proteins, and fats will help you stay in ketosis and maintain your energy levels. Tracking your macros and nutrients also enables you to adjust your diet to meet your needs and ensure you're consuming sufficient nutrients. Also, monitoring your health goals is very, very key. Regular tracking can help you identify the areas where you need to improve to reach your health goals. It helps you establish a baseline to compare your progress, such as weight loss, increased muscle mass, or improved blood sugar levels. Tracking your progress towards your health goals can motivate you to continue to be consistent with your diet and exercise program. Also, tracking your progress keeps you accountable. Having a record of your progress makes it more challenging to fall off track. Sharing your results with others, such as with friends, partners, or a support group, creates accountability and helps you to keep motivated. You're more likely to stick to your diet and exercise routine when you know you have to report your progress to people who care. And also, it's important to celebrate your achievements. Regular monitoring of progress also presents an opportunity to celebrate achievements and milestones. Whether it's losing weight or improving your blood sugar levels, celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. It also helps you maintain a positive attitude towards your progress. So in conclusion, it is essential to regularly monitor your progress in your keto lifestyle. It helps you stay motivated, focuses on your goals, keeps you accountable, and ensures you're meeting your nutrient and health goals. Tracking your progress allows you to celebrate your achievements and milestones, keep you on track, and make the necessary adjustments to progress towards your goals. Regular check-ins can be done through various applications, journals, or even taking photos on a regular basis of your progress. Make tracking your progress a habit, and it will make a considerable difference in achieving your keto lifestyle goals. keep pushing and staying focused on your goals always. So there you go. I hope you found this helpful. And again, please subscribe to my keto video here and YouTube channel by subscribing to my channel by clicking on the icon below. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. Any questions and comments, please leave them below this video, and I'd love to respond to you. Have a very pleasant evening, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.